video, we're going to walk through the blog feature of OfferingTree. To access this, head over to your dashboard under Add Website and click on Blog. You can write new blog posts here, or if you already have some posts existing, you can edit them as well. When you're creating or editing a blog post, you can add your publish date, a title, and then also your text. Even within your text, you can add pictures from your media library, and you can also change the sizing for that. You can edit the text as usual, making it highlighted, maybe bold, italic, or you can also change the sizing. Then you can also apply tags to your blog post, and these tags can help your readers find similar relatable posts as well on your blog site. You can also change the author of your blog post. Automatically, it will be the owner of the website, but you can change the name of the author as well. And you can also change the photo that comes with the blog post, so the first picture they see when they're browsing your blog page. And within here, you can change your metadata description. This will help your blog be more searchable and easy to access if someone is looking for that specific topic. Now to change how your blog appears, head over to Pages and then find the already existing blog page. When you're editing this, you're able to change the color settings, some of the description, and the way it shows up on your site. You can also change the title and the description of this page as well. When you're editing this, you can change the header, your text, and you can also change if you want the search bar or the tags, the topics to show up. To make this change, you can click on the pencil, and then you can have this usual settings that we have with any website template. You can change the colors if you want to. You can also change within that color, maybe the text color or tag colors as well. Now, when you are in the settings, you can also hide the header and you can just see the blog posts, and you can hide the tags. Not sure if you can see it behind, but these topics disappear. You can also limit what tags show up. So if you're embedding your blog to a specific page that talks about one specific thing, maybe you will just use those tags. There's also a new feature called the Sidebar, where you can have relatable or maybe highlighted posts, something that you want to share with your audience. So the same way, when you're clicking onto that pencil and you see the sidebar settings, at the moment it's turned on to specific tags. And you can also find other ones, change them, or add just one single tag. You can also show how many posts should show up with that tag. At the moment, there's only one with those two tags, so that's why there's only one showing up. And you can change the title. You can name this our post, or relatable, or hot topics, or whatever you'd like to call it. When someone is on your blog page, they can search for specific titles, words, or maybe the tags. They can also flick through just the tags and mark the ones that they want to see, and then also go back to all available posts. When they click on one and they start reading it, they can also see the more posts sidebar, which actually is on the bottom of the page, and they will be listed here as well, so they can easily navigate to those that you want to highlight for your clients. This blog section can be added to any page already existing on your site, or if a new one you're creating, simply just scroll down under the pre-designed sections and find the blog section, and then you can add one more into your own page. It doesn't have to be the blog page, it could be any other page already existing, and then you can do the same edits that we just gone through previously.